Hello guys! Another video is about Typhoon. The world's deadliest typhoon that I will mention it is the Yolanda, a super typhoon that can cause several damage in the whole Philippines. I'm Tacloban Files fanatic Charmin Tampienko, and here is the video. A typhoon is a violent phenomena in which the rain and wind so very strong it may cause damage to properties and flooding. In the Philippines, it referred to bagyo, meaning typhoon, which affected the whole territory like the Baguio City that had been. It forms at a low pressure area. Then, when the heat from the seaboard had already heated up, low pressure area become tropical depression, and then tropical storm, typhoon, and super typhoon. Of course, if the said is reversed, then it will be dissipate instead, or otherwise it will downgrade it to tropical depression, then low pressure area, and then dissipate afterwards. So far, Super Typhoon Yolanda brought the highest damage to property according to the Wikipedia. Typhoon is one of the most dangerous in the whole Pacific Ocean that can cause severe damage, and so as assassinating of people by flying objects or wind. Here are the hints on how to avoid this typhoon. Before the typhoon, make sure your breaker is turned off to prevent the wetness in the plugs. Then, check your first aid kit and have your go bags consist of non-perishable food, which is the canned foods or packaged foods in the sachet. Then, always inspect anything that it wasn't plugged. This way it will prevent from electrocution. Never forget to always have your phone number in case of emergency. It was been posted on the phone or in the paper. Always have your radio or a pocket-sized television on your hand. You can use it so that this will able to give information about where the typhoon it is formed and being affected. Make sure your water is clean and safe to drink. If you are in coastal rivers, evacuate if necessary to avoid a tsunami, which cause death and damage to properties. During the typhoon, stay here so that it will not be able to get out because of the high wind speed or rainfall. Higher wind speed and means can cause destructive object and even death to people. Watch out for falling manholes because falling manholes can cause death as well. After the typhoon, make sure your property is repaired and inspect. Always wear your boots when there's a floody water. There may have a chance to get leptospirosis or being electrocuted from a fallen wire. If this happens, stay away from the flood that may cause this event that will lead to death.